This guide will assist you in completing a life cycle analysis for your next project. To start, we will cover two examples. Both are school classroom buildings. Building A is typically structural timber frame for walls and timber roof trusses. Building B shows structural steel portal frames with timber infill framing. Building A has multiple options to consider in changing. With VQuest, it's easy to compare all elements of the building from substructure to the cladding and even the frame. For this demonstration, let's focus on the substructure. Here we can have either a concrete slab or suspended timber floor on piles. Using basic geometry, we can derive key metrics such as floor and wall areas. With VQuest compatible with Revit, ArchiCAD, or SketchUp, we include the VQuest material library to apply materials to the floors, walls, roof, and any other key elements for the LCA to be developed at this stage of design. At this point, we can generate the LCA quick export. Let's check it out. From simple square meter basis of materials applied to the walls, floors, and roof, we can see all of the exported material quantities extracted, formatted, and entered into LCA Quick. From here, the user can complete the other particulars required by the tool, often using baseline indicative values to generate a detailed LCA and carbon report. Here in SketchUp, let's copy the building. This will be an alternative design to the timber-framed walls, roof, and suspended floor on piles. Then we'll create a new building variant within VQuest. Now we simply change the foundation system on the second comparative model to the alternative, in this case a concrete slab with a perimeter beam. We now have an ability to create a life cycle analysis for both buildings and compare the results of the two versions, saving time and effort. Here on the comparative analysis, we can see both options for cost, embodied carbon, and weight. We can now assess the totals of different building methodologies and determine the most advantageous option for a cost and carbon balance. A report can simply be generated to substantiate the decision-making without the need to generate two different life cycle analyses. Let's have a look at some alternative designs for Building B. Variant 1 consists of a steel portal frame and DHS steel purlins. All variants will have timber infill framing. Variant 2 replaces the steel portal frames with glulam timber portals. We keep the DHS steel purlins in this hybrid approach. In Variant 3, we go full mass timber. We have the same glulam portals and swap out the DHS steel purlins for LVL. This case study shows how quickly results can be assessed and decisions made. Very interestingly, the results show the hybrid typology is cost neutral, but reduces the embodied carbon of the core frame by a good percentage. The mass timber option further reduces this percentage, but now we can see a cost premium is introduced. Without much deliberation, it would be a quick decision to prioritize the hybrid approach due to the realization of free carbon reduction. Navigate the future of construction with VQuest. With just a few clicks, analyze cost, carbon, and weight for any construction project across diverse building types. Achieve detailed, compliant LCA and drive intelligent decision-making, all through one intuitive tool. Don't just adapt to the changing construction landscape. Lead the way with VQuest. Act now and elevate your projects to new heights of efficiency and sustainability. Contact us today, and let's build a better tomorrow together.